First, the freshly harvested avocados undergo a thorough, high-pressure wash to ensure they're perfectly clean before sorting.
Look at that, perfectly clean avocados, ready for the next step in our guacamole. The high-pressure rinse ensures maximum freshness.
And once they're sufficiently soaked, we send them through a high-pressure rinse to ensure maximum cleanliness. Analyzing internal quality. Step 1. Density scan. Result: optimal. Proceeding to next step.
Once sorted, the avocados move into this drying tunnel, where the steam ensures perfect preservation before they're shipped out. The machine gently grips the pre-scored avocado, applying even pressure before twisting the halves apart, revealing the perfectly ripe flesh inside.
Next, the robotic arm secures the pit and performs a precise twist, cleanly separating it from the vibrant green flesh. Now that the pits are removed, the creamy avocado moves along the belt, ready for dicing.
As you can see, the conveyor system efficiently sorts the perfect halves from the pieces.
We simply load the halves into the chute, and the machine handles the rest, dicing them into perfect cubes while a quick spray of water prevents browning.
Next, we carefully transfer the freshly diced avocado onto the conveyor system, ensuring an even spread for the next stage of processing.
The blades are rotating slowly at first, ensuring every vibrant cube is coated by the spray before we increase the speed. To ensure maximum freshness, we quickly dry the cubes using this industrial setup before they head to the freezer.
Ensuring consistency is crucial, so we monitor the data stream closely for any fluctuations.
The cubes enter to the cryogenic freezer, where blasts of nitrogen lock in the flavor instantly.
We use only the finest, individually quick-frozen avocado, ensuring perfect texture and flavor for our guacamole.
After being individually quick frozen, they pass under the optical sorter. The camera scans them with colored lights to check for any defects.
After the initial freeze, they hit the sorting line. We use a multi-channel system to guarantee uniformity across the board. Next, we're flash freezing the avocado before sending it down the line into these convenient little molds.
Once perfectly ripe, we rapidly freeze the avocado cubes to lock in that vibrant flavor and texture.
To ensure maximum freshness, the automated system meticulously applies the zip seal using precise heat and pressure. We're using these high-quality frozen avocado chunks. Just give the bag a quick scan for inventory.
And here we have the automated packing line, ensuring maximum density. The frozen
Once the avocado halves are properly frozen, the machine applies the lid, which then moves along to be perfectly heat sealed.
Once packed, the boxes are swiftly moved through the taping machine, securing that vibrant green goodness inside.
We start by securing the base with a few rotations, ensuring these beautiful avocados.
We'll take our freshly printed label and, using the vacuum applicator, adhere it firmly to the palletized avocados.
To navigate the cold storage safely, ensure your forks are lowered and maintain a steady speed. Always check for frost.
Maintaining the cold chain is crucial for the quality of our produce. We ensure our ingredients arrive perfectly chilled, straight from the source.